Now we are going to see the third sum. Okay, so third sum, verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the rational number minus 7 by 9, 5, 6, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. So what they have given, A is equal to minus 7 by 9. Then B is equal to 5 by 6. Then C is equal to minus 4 by 3. Next, now we are going to solve the associative property for addition. So addition is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So what is the LHS? The LHS is A plus B plus C. Now we are going to solve this one. So minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 3. So that is equal to minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6, then plus into minus is minus 4 by 3. Okay, now we are going to solve this for the LCM is 9 and 6. The LCM is what? 54. That implies, so minus 7 by 9 into 6 by 6 plus 5 by 6 into 9 by 9, then minus 4 by 3. So that implies, what is the answer we'll be getting here? Minus 42 by 54, then plus 45 by 54 minus 43. So the denominators are same, means you can add or subtract the powers. So 42 plus 45 by 54, then minus 4 by 3. That implies minus 42 plus 45. So what is the answer? Minus, that is 1 plus 1 minus means we will be subtracting. So 3 by 54, then minus 4 by 3. Then you just take the LCM for 54 and 3. In 3 table, this is 1 times 3, then 8 times 1, then 3 table again 6 times, then 1, then again 3 table 2 times 1, then 2 table 1 times 1. So that implies 3 by 54 minus 4 by 3 into, so this is 3 3s are 9, 9 into 2 is 18. So 3 by 54 minus 4 into 18, what is the answer? 72. So 72 minus 54. So that implies 3 minus 72 by 54. So what is the answer we'll be getting? Minus 69 by 54. If there is a cancellation, you can do the cancellation. So what is the cancellation? It will come in 2 times, 3 times, then 1 times, 8 times. So the answer is minus 23 by 18. Now we have to see whether we are getting for the RHS also the same answer. Now the RHS. The RHS is, what is the answer we'll be getting for this RHS? A plus B plus C. Okay, so this is the RHS. So that implies minus 7 by 9, then plus 5 by 6, then plus minus 4 by 3. So what is the answer we'll be getting? Minus 7 by 9, then plus 5 by 6, then plus into minus is minus 4 by 3. Then 6 and 3, the LCM is 6. That implies minus 7 by 9, then plus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 3 into 2 into 2. That implies minus 7 by 9, then 5 by 6 minus 8 by 6. So minus 7 by 9 plus 5 minus 8 by 6. Minus 7 by 9, then plus minus 3 by 6. Okay, so what is the answer we'll be getting? Minus 7 by 9, then minus 3 by 6. So what is the LCM here? The LCM is 54. So minus 7 by 9 into 6 by 6, then minus 3 by 6 into 9 into 9. So minus 42 by 54, then minus 27 by 54. So that is equal to minus 42 minus 27 by 54. So that implies minus 69 by 54. So that is equal to 23 by, so what is the answer you will be getting? 18. So that is equal to, what is that answer you are getting? LHS equal to RHS. So therefore A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so now it is proved in the addition. Okay, now we are going to see in the multiplication. So what is the multiplication? The multiplication is ABC equal to ABC. So that implies minus 7 by 9, then 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. So that is equal to minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. So that implies minus 7 by 9 minus 20 by 18. Here minus 35 by 54 into minus 4 by what is the answer? 3. Okay, here what is the minus into minus? What is the answer? Plus 7 into 20 is 140. Then 9 into 18 is 162. So here minus into minus is plus. Then here 140 by 162. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So that implies A into B into C equal to AB into C. So this is how the multiplication we have to prove it. Okay. So next we are going to see the fourth sum. So fourth sum, you see, verify the distributive property A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C for rational number A equal to B equal to C equal to they have given. Okay, now we are going to take this LHS and RHS and we have to going to start to prove it. So this is the A value, B value they have given. So solution A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Now we are going to prove the LHS. So LHS implies A into B plus C. So what is the A value here? Minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 then plus minus 5 by 6. So minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 then minus 5 by 6. So what is the LCM for us? LCM for 3 and 6. LCM for 3 and 6 is what is the answer? 6. That implies minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 2 then minus 5 by 6. Minus 1 by 2 into 4 by 6 minus 5 by 6. So that implies minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 5 by 6. So that implies minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 6. So minus into minus, what is the answer? Plus. So 1 by 12. Okay, so now we will see the 1 by 12, the same answer we are getting for the RHS. So RHS is A into B plus A into C. So that is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 into B value is 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2 into minus 5 by 6. So you just multiply it. So what is the answer you'll be getting? Minus 2 by 6 then plus here minus into minus is plus then 5 by 12 you'll be getting. Okay, now if you take if you get the cancel means 1 times 3 times you will be getting. So this is 1 times and this is how many times? 3 times. So that implies minus 1 by 3 then plus 5 by 12. So the LCM will be the 12. Okay, so the LCM is equal to 12. So minus 1 by 3 into 4 then plus 5 by 12. So that implies minus 4 by 12 plus 5 by 12. So that implies minus 4 plus 5 by 12. So what is the answer? 1 by 12. Okay, so both LHS and RHS same answer. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so therefore what is the answer they have given to prove is we are proving. So A cross B plus A cross C.